Hey guys, Flower Von Lily 13 here. I just wanted to say we hit 40 subscribers, guys. We actually have 41 right now, but I just entered 6 people in the giveaway. So comment like after 42 subscribers, then I'm actually gonna do the giveaway. So make sure you comment down below your username and which item you want. So yeah. I actually just finished doing the Forgotten Desert. I got this Mech Angel helmet, fire sword, a candy cane tie, diamond necklace, and this fire pit. Oops, okay guys, it's not showing. But a fire pit. Next giveaway, I will be giving away either my nerds or my red long wristband. So yeah, at 60 subscribers, so make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm sorry this is a really short video, because I just want to say thank y'all again. So, bye.